Hi there, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Thaqib Latif. I choose these two exam type questions. The first question, a line with a gradient of -3 is a tangent to the graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus 3 at the point 2, 5. Determine the value of a and b. Second question, the equation of the tangent to the parabola defined by y is equal to px square plus qx at x equal to 3 is y is equal to 15x negative 18. Determine the values of p and q. So I'm going to show you both of these questions how to solve. Let's do it. So the first question, the point of tangency we have, which is 2 and 5, we're going to substitute into uh, the graph, the equation of the graph, and then uh, we're going to find the derivative of the graph. And obviously we got x value 2, then we're going to substitute into that derivative, then we'll find the equation, then both equation we're going to equate to determine the values of a and b. Have a look. This is the equation and this is the gradient -3, and the point of tangency is given. So first of all, I'm going to substitute point of tangency into this equation. This is x, this is y. So the y we got 5 is equal to, and the place of x I'm going to substitute the 2 square plus b multiply 2 plus 3. I'm gonna solve this one. This is gonna be a 5 4a plus 2b plus 3. Now 4a plus 2b, and all the constants must be on one side, so I can divide by 2 whole expression. So it's gonna be 2a plus b is equal to 1. So this is going to be my equation number 1. Now what we used to do, so point of tangency we utilize. Now we need to equate this gradient. So first I need to find the derivative of this graph. So it's going to be dy over dx with respect to x is going to be a 2 ax. We are differentiating with respect to x, plus b, the derivative of 3 constant is equal to 0. So the derivative of x is 1, so the b times 1 is b. So now we need to equate this one with the given gradients, which is -3. So it's going to be 2 ax plus b is equal to the -3 given gradient, -3. Now we got the x value. Remember, x value we got 2 here. So now we substitute x value here. So we substitute x equal to 2 into this. So the 2a is equal to -3. Now I solve for a plus b is equal to -3. So this is going to be my second equation. Now this question is easy. We need to solve simultaneously to find the a and b. So from 1 you can use the substitute method, or you can equate, or you can use the eliminating method. So I'm gonna use the substitution method. So from 1 I'm going to isolate the b here. So it's going to be 1 minus 2a. So the positive a, 2a become this side -2a. So now this one I'm going to substitute into the number 2. So 4a place of b is going to be a plus 1 minus 2a place of b, I write 1 minus 2a is equal to negative 3. Now 2a plus 1 is equal to negative 3. I'm solving here now. So now 2a negative 3 become negative positive 1 become negative 1. So the 2a is equal to negative 4. Therefore a is going to be negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So the a is negative 2. Now a negative 2 I'm going to substitute into this equation to find the b. You can substitute in any equation. You can substitute in 1, or you can substitute in 2, or you can sub into this one. Same thing, the answer is going to be same. So the b is going to be 1 minus 2, place of a I put negative 2. So the b value is going to be a 5. Therefore a is negative 2 and b is 5. This is the first question answer. Now according to the second question, we have now y is equal to px square plus qx at x equal to 3, and we have the point of tangency which is 3. X value we got 3, the y value we can substitute into y is equal to 15x minus 18 to get the y value, and then obviously the gradient we got 15, and then we're going to equate to find the first derivative of y is equal to px square plus qx. Then I'm gonna equate. Have a look how to do. According to the second question, we got the equation of the graph, and then we got the equation of the tangent line 15x minus 18 at x equal to 3. So now first of all I need to find the point of tangency. So the point of tangency, or you can say point of contact, so I need x and y value. X I got, y I don't have, so I put this, substitute this x equal to in this value the tangent equation of the tangent, and then I get the y value. So the y is equal to, place of x I'm gonna substitute 3, so negative 18. So I solve with the calculator. So answer gonna be a 27. So the point of tangency we have 3 and y value is 27. There we go. Now second thing what we used to do, now we got 3 and 27. I'm gonna substitute in this equation of the graph. So it's gonna be a y value 27 is equal to p, x is 3 square plus q, and the x is 3. Now this means 27 is equal to 9 p plus 3 q. Now all this expression I can divide by 3, so it's going to be, I can also rearrange. So it's going to be a 3p plus q is equal to 9. So this is going to be my number 1. Remember, we need to find the value of p and q, so we need to make two equations, then we're gonna solve them simultaneously. Next I need to find the derivative of the equation of the graph with respect to x, this one. So I'm gonna apply the derivative 2px plus q. The derivative of x is gonna be 1. So 2px plus q. Now we have the x value, so must remember at x equal to 3, at this point the derivative of the graph and the gradient of the tangent line, they are equal. So now I need to equate. So the gradient is 15, so the gradient I'm gonna equate with the derivative. So now 2px plus q is equal to 15. Now must remember the x value is 3 there, so I can substitute x value here, sub x equal to 3 in here. So the 2p multiply 3 plus q is equal to 15 is going to be 6p plus q is equal to 15. So this is become my number 2. So we got two equation now. So I can apply any method. I need to solve them simultaneously. But if you see the if you see the coefficient of one of the variable, they are equal, then we can eliminate. We can apply eliminated. We can apply the elimination method. That is more easy. Or if we want to solve by substitution method, you can also do that. Is your choice. So let me do with the elimination method. So we're gonna subtract 1 from 2. So we got coefficient of p 3 and 6. 6 is the biggest coefficient than 3, so that's why I'm gonna subtract 1 from 2. So subtract 1 from 2. Previous question I solved by substitution method, and this one I'm gonna solve elimination method. Now, but you can apply, you can solve also by substitution method. Now, so we got 6p plus q. This is from 2. We're gonna subtract the number 1 minus number 1. We got 3p plus q, and obviously 15 minus 9, the variable with variable, constant with constant. Now this is 6p plus q minus 3p. This become minus q is equal to 15 minus 9 is going to be 6. Now this is cancel. We left with positive 3p is equal to 6. Therefore the p is going to be a 2. P is equal to 2. You substitute in one of these equations to find the q. You can substitute in number 1 or number 2. So let's do in number 1. This is number 1. Anyone you can substitute, you can find the same answer. So 3 place of p, I put the q is 6 plus q is equal to 9. Therefore the q is going to be 9 minus 6 is 3. So the q value is 3. Therefore p value is 2 and the q value is positive 3. This is my final answer. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.